Well, it's 3:31 and we just got a phone call to head to the shop. Hopefully we've got a harness to put in the car so we can get this motherfucker fired up. Let's go racing.
She's so bad, she never met Santa.
She bad.
Yeah, I don't even care, I never had manners.
No way.
Yeah, been a couple years, yeah, I must have standard.
I do.
Hey, sit while you rap, cause you just can't stand. Yeah, into my head, it gave me danger. I go in and the girls go crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, holding me tight, trying to have my baby.
Say what?
Yeah,
Let's see how far the harness is.
I'm Stacy, I just hear a beat go beats, that's rabies. What's up?
What's up?
Ready to...
Ninja building.
Yeah.
Alright, car. Just need a harness.
Step up in the party, they bumping me. Step up in the party.
Hey man! Hey man! We gave you all day off today.
Off?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, we're looking. We going somewhere?
Yeah. We're definitely getting somewhere today. They went out yesterday. I was so fucking tired yesterday.
You tired?
Yes, I was tired. I didn't sleep. I was definitely running in fumes after y'all left. I left right after.
What time after we left you went home?
Huh?
You going after we left or?
No, I left a little bit later, but
Yeah.
at that point I wasn't accomplished much.
Jesus, you're tired. Not worth overtiring yourself.
20-inch 3-piece AME genuine.
Murad's not here yet. He's not going to be fucking happy when he gets here.
$1,000, bro.
All the boys are sitting around because we've got nothing to do. We've gone over the car, we've rechanged lines, plumb lines, put boost controls on, and Shane's has gone through the fucking software, set it all up, and we're just waiting for a fucking wiring harness to plug in, put the tune up or software in, and just check everything up. But we've got no wiring harness still. Today's the third day, so we're fucked.
I should have stopped you.
Yeah, you saw it happening.
But didn't I say leave it in the car? Did you not hear me say leave it in the car?
Yeah, I agree with you. I know.
So why didn't you tell him to leave it in the car?
Stop me.
I should have stopped him. I fucked up. There's a
As I
smoke shop
said,
like
I'm
2
gonna
minutes
leave
away.
this here. Good.
We'll go to the smoke shop. It's fucking 5 minutes.
Why don't we just let him go for a cruise? Because we're not doing a full
Because I
day
wanna
for
ask.
cruise.
Nah, fuck that 3-hour cruise.
We've got
I'll
time.
go
What was
see
the
it.
place you went to? What was it called? Smoking Pipe? What was it called?
Yeah, been a couple years, yeah, I must have standard.
I do.
Hey, sit while you rap, cause you just can't stand. Yeah, into my head, it gave me danger. I go in and the girls go crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, holding me tight, trying to have my baby.
Say what?
Yeah.
Right, so we came in today, day 3. We're kind of in limbo a little bit, waiting for the wiring harness to be done. Now, the wiring harness on a race car like this, at this level, is a lot like the wiring harness in aircraft or in aerospace industry. So it's not something simple, it's very complex. The design of the harness is very integral to the whole car operating properly. On a daily basis, that is what Abraham does, but I've done some, and that's what he does also. So at this point, we're at the point where we want to try and help Abraham finish, so we're going to divide and conquer a little bit, take some of the load off of Abraham and let him and I go in and finish some sub-looms and whatever else we can do to try to speed the process up so that we can get this thing done and then get it to the dyno and get it to the racetrack.
We got CO2, we got nitrogen, we got...
Because we have no car. No matter what you have, we have no one for 2 more days.
Come and give me a hand.
I just went up there and I threw Shane G in there and go up the car. I don't give a fuck what he wants to do. I just want to go up the car. So now they're doing the top harnesses. A harness from the fucking gearbox, a harness for the car.
We had to find it.
You got suitable.
The actual harness that goes in the car we're waiting for, he's still twisting it. So how's it mean he should like there's
Apparently they were gonna just
they can't test it.
just twist it so we can get the
They're
car
not
started.
gonna,
and
heat
then
shrink it or anything.
later.
He said
Heat
he's...
shrink it tonight or some shit.
No,
we can get the car
after we're done
staged.
testing.
Yeah,
You fucking can't.
yeah.
You can't. You can't put Hishik over it after you fucking put the tunnels on.
He's going to unterminal, after we're done racing, he's going to unterminal it all.
Hishik's
heat shrink it all.
is the easiest bit, but it's Hishik on it.
No, it took him fucking 5-6 hours to heat shrink that one yesterday. So
Let's
maybe it's not so bad.
Anyway, let's just go see what's happening.
There you go. Nitrogen stuff. Who wants this one?
Where's the rest of the bottles?
They're all inside already. What's that one? I know my coffee. Hey man.
I'm not gonna lose my shit. Let's go.
Don't we took it. You'll be right.
Fucking close to my cooking.
Don't we took it. Hey man. How are you, Gabby? Good. You keeping the dream alive over here? Yeah, just being me. I've got a podcast for you. We heard it in the car. Consciousness. I was like, fuck, I've got to give it to you. Right? Yeah. It was you. Yeah, good.
Actually, let's go.
Any update? More about your
Update? We're just helping him because there's no way he's going to get there if we don't. So he's agreed to at least let us. Like, so I think actually when I talked to him earlier, he's like, if you show up at 5:30, I'll have something for you to do. Now I'm thinking, you want me to take that? So now I'm thinking what he meant was, if you come at 5:30, I'll have some fucking harnesses you can help me finish. Not like, you see, because it's not even, it's nowhere close. So now what we've got, like he's got the sub loom, we just cut all the labels, put all the labels on it. So now you take it in the car, lay it in place, because obviously it's super long, right? Lay it where it's generally got to go, cut it kind of close to length, go up there, terminate it, shrink it, bring it back down. Okay, that one's done. That's an outer loom, right? So then there's one for this side, but he's working on the main loom inside, the cabin loom, which ties all the electronics together with all the firewall connectors. So once that's done, then we can power up all the electronics and test it. Meanwhile, if we can make sub looms like this for him, that just puts us that much more ahead. So me and him will just keep cracking on with that until we run out of shit to do, and it is what it is.
Are we supposed to freeze these things to
Yeah.
helps, but even if we half fill it, we get 2 or 3 pounds, but then again, that's a bigger bottle anyway. That's probably what, 3 pounder?
Yeah, but it ended up being 2.4 kilos
open
because
that
it's
or
not frozen.
Yeah, it's open.
Is that open?
Yeah.
It's filling.
Yeah, it's filling.
Should be full.
It's done, yeah.
Close on.
Alright.
Your scale still calibrated? Straight on the scale. What does it mean though? How many pounds?
That's
0.5. That's why the zero went
Well,
off.
that's in kg.
Yeah, so
it's got half a kilo in it now. That's
So
1
2
pound.
kilos is rubbish.
What?
Full it's 3 kilos.
No, there's half a kilo in
it was
it.
offset. I can zero it out.
Just zero.
So it's one
Zero.
pound.
Zero?
You're right. You can't fuck it up.
I'll take it off.
No, you can't fuck it up.
Two and a half.
Yeah, 2.4. The full.
That's a small bottle, man.
It's
People
got-
fold before.
It's got 1 pound in it. Is it?
If it wasn't frozen, that's pretty good.
If it's a 3 pound bottle, it'll take a little bit more maybe.
That's that's pretty good. That's
Put it in
pretty
the
good.
freezer if you're trying to get it.
That's
Empty it,
fine.
try
That's fine.
again.
It'll work. No.
After you do that, it'll get cold. Alright, let's go. Let's fill it.
Now we'll get more.
Let's do it. That's cold.
Fucking frozen.
Send it. Bring it in more.
The only
Let's
time
do it. What we do it.
Go.
shouldn't use as much as the time to use it under 2.4. 2.6 is alright.
Just,
Well, we've got another full bottle anyway. We're gonna do that a few times.
you know what the bottle was empty, yeah?
Yeah.
Open this one first. Open that one.
You got it? Have you
You hear it.
Yeah, if we hear on it, we'll stop.
It's going. You can see it getting cold.
Maximum.
I think that's pretty good, eh?
Can you tell we're bored?
Three now.
No,
Three. Now it's 3.
3 what?
3? Yeah.
1 kilo of gas, which is 2 pounds.
It's 3 pounds. It's full.
It's enough anyway, yeah?
That's
You want to use it.
Well, 2.5.
All right, let me get back to
3 now.
So now we can keep.
That's it. Yeah.
So maybe you know what we'll do?
I've got a filling station now.
No, tomorrow we'll just go buy a fucking
Ice.
You don't need
a
to.
40-pounder.
You won't need to. They're easy to transport. We'll never use that.
These are great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we just
Carrying bottle.
we gotta make sure we leave it in the ice. So it gets full.
Look at it. It's fucking nice to it. I like it.
Because we're wasting a whole fucking bottle, but don't do that.
That's how you fucking improvise, bro.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
We'll just do it.
No, no, what if it was better? Do Tom? Can you come in? Record pieces. Take all these off for us. Take them off for us, please, until we can have a first run. Fucking hanging. Chef Bay. Nice.
Next.
Breakfast for champions.
We've spent so much
What's for
money.
breakfast, Anthony?
We've spent so much money on this
Blueberry
fucking
mint.
trip and car. We gotta cook our food. Broken the budget.
Broke the budget. Uncensored. Straight. Straight. Even the fucking pink shirt, you know what I mean?
Bro, you're missing out.
It's gonna be
You know that,
fucking
right?
feed, just doing that.
I ate the best breakfast. I'm happy. Now I'm having a fucking. I'll give you.
You are fucking
It's
missing
gonna be a
out.
fucking feed.
Alright, let's get some cutlery.
What's on the agenda today?
Well, I think we're going to the beach. We're going swimming. So we're definitely not racing. Have you ever thought about going to a therapist?
Hey? Yes, I am a therapist.
No, have you ever been to therapy? Honestly?
Fucking do recording, you fucking.
I miss the singing.
You alright, man? You just cruising?
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Pineapple's good for you. The pineapple?
Why don't some lunch? Okay. Just hang out here.
Good idea. So we're going to have fucking wiring.
No, I can't. Really. We'll just hang out here. Mad. Hurry up, you fucking dumb cunt. So day 5 is kicking off. And it's kicking off to a late start because everyone had to go to the shop early this morning to finish off some wiring looms and bits and pieces. But hopefully today we're going to see some progress, and the truck's rocking up today. Truck is back with the semi. The boys have been there since about 9:30 in the morning. It's currently about 1:45 or so.
12:20.
So we're going to go see what's happening, figure out how far we are from starting it up, get a game plan together to get it to the dyno tonight, and hopefully be at the track tomorrow. Hopefully. Everything that we've said so far hasn't worked out, so we don't want to overpromise.
We have no wiring. It's called
Have faith.
wishful thinking.
Have faith.
Have faith, man.
Fucking hell, it's the negative. Honestly. Get in the car, shut up. Give me the key.
What happened, man?
Give me the key.
Let's go, man. Let's go. He can't even get his phone together, mate. He's holding us up, mate. Hurry up. Guys, guy got his Motec fucking water drinker. Fucking faggot. The fuck is this cunt doing, mate? Fuck. Let's go, mate.
Isn't that like $1,000 water bottle?
I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's fucking gay, though.
It's one of us.
I'm gonna say Pepsi nuts in women. I can't find his phone. I don't know how. We're here in America and the bloke can't even find his fucking phone. No, he's not M&M's. I want to ring it. Whoa, are you dumb?
It's in the car. Hey, Mirad, your phone's in the car. Well, someone's ringing it now. It's ringing.
I've actually fucking completely lost my fucking mind. Is it really in the car?
Yeah, it's in the phone. Can't you hear it ringing? Is it under the seat?
It's in your bag.
Is it in here? What about the center?
Yeah, open this.
Anyway, we're still trying to find dumb fuck's phone.
There it again. Is it between the seat?
You dumb fuck. Anyway, guys, accuse me of fucking taking this phone. You can't carve and carry a phone. It's a fucking phone, mate. Oh, God. Okay, let's start again. Start the intro again. Hi, guys. Go in the same car. With no phone.
That was a bit of a mishap on my part.
Oh, shit.
Take two.
Fucking front door's open. You fucking wanker. Fuck.
Well, I wasn't technically the last person out. That was you.
No, it was me.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right. Take 3.
Take 4. Let's go to Bradenton. Is that where we're going?
We're going to the track to not
track?
race a car.
To get my race suit and look at it.
Brum brum.
Boof. Boom, boom. Boof, like the backfire when you're revving, you're spassing and blown up.
Well, you used to get a
You're
backfire
spastic.
like
Boom, boom, boof.
that. Backfire's
Mate, listen, not sure about you, brother. Not sure about you, but I can tell you one thing. If it was a fucking Helltech, would have been tuned, raced back on the plane, ready to come back to Sydney. But no, I want to try a Helltech. Where the hell come from, bro?
There's something up on my phone, man.
Left.
Left.
What's up?
Yeah.
Tom?
No, I'm good, thanks, mate. We're good for you.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
That was Shane, man. Shane was on, man. You want my left up for Shane?
It's like the diet of a toddler.
This is what the
That was half me, half Shane. It was all Shane. It's going to be all me by the time we finish the trip.
This is what the one of the best drivers in the world beats.
It's called sugar.
Yeah.
The diet of legends.
Yeah.
A lot of fucking spastics.
Mate.
Nah, eat more, man. So much. Yeah, keep going. Eat nuts. That's good for you.
Total fat, 0. Saturated fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 2.
Yeah.
Total carbohydrates,
Yeah.
9. Dietary fiber, 0. Includes 21% grams of added sugar. Yeah, nice. 42%. That's like it's gonna be like your fuel trim on your Motec.
Nothing in here that's good for you except sugar. Nice. So give it about 15 minutes, 20 minutes max, and then we're gonna have an outburst. He's gonna fucking start going off, he's gonna start fucking abusing us, he's gonna start telling us that he's gonna take over the world, and just get ready for it.
No worry on us. Day 4.
Like a child, you know, like when the kids, when you give them sugar,
1,
and then fucking 10,
2,
15 minutes later, they start
3,
bouncing off the walls.
4.
Nice.
Day 4.
It takes longer to wire up an intricate piece of you.
Still no worry.
You know what I mean? There's not.
So-
It doesn't have 4 wires.
We could have still been in Sydney.
We're
Looking at
not.
cars,
Even if we're in Sydney, we would have still been.
cuddling my fucking dogs.
If whether we stayed in Sydney or came here, we still would have been second.
Second,
So whichever,
with a worry on us.
mate,
Unfortunately, you get a worry on us.
we're still second with an unfinished warring on us. Now you could be meant to be going left, right, and we're just gonna fucking keep going straight.
Fucking fix that.
Are you kidding?
What the fuck's kid?
It's not gonna work while you're driving. Did that say vlog? Did that say vlog?
Yeah.
Where you going? Bro, you're more worried about fucking music and not where we're going?
Bro, why does this slump upset you?
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, but aren't you used to it yet?
How can you get used to this?
Some days I wanna sail away when the going gets rough, when the going gets tough. But something deep inside my body says you are more than enough, so don't give up. Keep it moving on, yeah. Keep it moving on, yeah. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving on, yeah. Keep it moving on, yeah. Keep it moving on, yeah. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving on, yeah. Don't stop now.
Don't give
We
up.
got nothing else better to do than you fucking do.
Well,
We can't race, we can't start the car, we can't dyno it, so
So where we going, but?
we're gonna fucking get Miami. Music up.
We're gonna come over?
Get Miami.
It's your time, live your life, give your love. Keep it high, up above. It's your time, live your life, don't give up.
Let me mute the fucking music for a second.
Oh,
Because we've come to an agreement
yeah.
that after we finish racing the car in USA
Yeah.
and it gets back to Sydney, what are we doing? What have you given me?
You're gonna put a health tech in it?
Yeah.
And see if you can go.
As fast as it goes with the help later. So we can squash the fake theories that everyone thinks computer matters. Because at the end of the fucking day, it's a dumb fuck pressing the buttons that matters.
You're not a dumb fuck.
Oh, we're all dumb fucks. I'm a dumb cunt. Shantae's a dumb cunt. We're all dumb fucks. But we want to come up with the same, what do you call it? At the end of the day, we'll come up with the same.
Shut the fuck up, you're a fucking
answer.
dumb cunt.
Same
Shut your mouth.
fucking answer.
Sarat 80.
Can't deal with the fact that I'm right.
No, you're not right.
So anyway, when we get
You're
back to
not
Sydney,
right. We all love Haltech. Haltech is part of our lives and it's part of our cars.
It's gonna be part
and
of your
it is
life.
fucking what we do. 2 of my cars, 3, 4 of my cars have Haltech fucking computers in it. So there's no doubt that we don't love Haltech. But it is undoubtedly, unconditionally a fact that at the moment, as it stands, the fastest 2 import cars in the world on both platforms have a
you're actually right.
have a what?
You're actually
Have
right.
a what?
So if you want to talk about it, let's talk about
I
it.
don't want to talk about it. I'm
wanna talk
asking you a
about it.
question.
The fastest car
No,
now is a
no, no,
Motec,
no.
and the second fastest got a Microtech.
No.
The Microtech is worth $800.
That's not what I said.
You can run.
No,
you
no,
said
no.
import cars,
I
brother.
said the
you
2
said import cars.
fastest
Import cars.
import platforms.
Yeah, cars.
No, platforms. So what are they? What's the fastest 2J in the world got in it? Hello? Yeah.
Dumb cunt.
What's it?
We'll see what happens when it gets back to
But what's it got in it?
Shut up.
What's it got in it? Yeah, that's right. That's right. I think that's that plane that Cletus McFarlane's working on.
You've arrived.
They
Destination
bought it.
is
I
on
think
the
they
right.
bought it for 15 grand or something.
Do what?
Wait till that works. That's the Freedom Factory. That's where Cletus is. In fact, the shed is down there. Go back to that. The tower. Yeah.
Nice thing.
Okay.
What, take one here.
It's hectic. You believe it, bro? Straight out. It's pretty sick.
On the side of the wall.
Yeah.
It's weird to think about. Well, just how much?
You made it. That's not fine, man.
I got it for the track with the rubber.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Fuck. Pretty sure it's the first time I've been here. Never been to this track before. But to actually see it in real life, compared to like watching it on fucking line and watching all the big events that get held here and see this fucking channel and everything else in between. It's fucking pretty cool. Pretty mad that we're actually here now. And know that we're going to be racing here hopefully in the next 24 hours maybe or so. Cool achievement. Is anyone in there?
Yeah. Crazy. Good. It's just racetrack. No bullshit.
Closer. I think the time boards are closer. So we're going to go faster, we're going to cheat. So, don't turn on. Shh.
It's on the one. This must be like a box or something.
Maybe you go. Maybe just keep it out before we get to the race.
It's not bad, York, is
So
it?
the way we're going, we're going to probably have a harness and a car that starts in the racetrack. We'll just take an hour like around the place, trying to find something.
At least you can get in without fucking the security guard.
Can we set time board? Look all those cars.
That's what he races. That's gonna be like he puts all those cars on the track.
That's mad, bro.
What's it called now?
What?
Crown Vics.
Yeah, but what's the race?
Oh, Freedom 500.
That's it, Freedom 500.
Nice.
What are we checking here?
The safety net.
It's a strawberry farm.
Hopefully strawberries are fresh, eh? What the fuck? So the finish line is where the time boards are, I'm guessing. So you've probably got 300 meters to stop.
About that.
Bit of grass, a bit of soil, and then some strawberries. So if you do go in, hopefully the fucking strawberries are fresh, eh?
Well, hopefully we don't need to worry about that.
If you do, they're a bit fucking fresh, eh?
I'll make sure we've got some cream down here just in case.
Package the video.
Oh yeah.
I can see some fucking shit in there. Shane Tucker. Guess what? There's me fucking race suit. How do we get in?
1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't think it'd be that easy, mate.
Well, there's a number here to call for deliveries.
You wait for somebody to magically open it?
Yeah. We didn't know they were going to run it. Was that close?
No.
Should we go on then with Shane?
I'm waiting.
Hey man, Ryan.
Nice to meet you,
From Sydney. Tell him we got it.
Come on, that's Shane.
Oh, where's our car?
I'll go around. There we go.
Oh, look at this, man. You're fucking flying, bro.
What is it?
I ain't got a helmet.
Huh?
Oh,
Is that a helmet or shoes?
yeah, carbon large and get some of it. Yeah, that'll be. Here's your helmet.
There we go.
Hands?
Yeah. Is that the first time you bought a new suit?
No, later put me on to it when you put his car. That's all he did.
Was that about 7 years ago?
No, I put it, oh, yeah, about 3 years ago.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Damn.
You look crazy in that, man.
Fuck, we are ripping. We got a whole
I
man.
want to be reimbursed for that, yeah?
On an invoice for 800
I'm going to
hours.
minus invoice you for all this, yeah?
Look at this.
Yeah, that's going to, God forbid, save you. Proper fire rated suit. Hold on.
Ready to go,
We
mate.
got a whole man.
Got your gloves on?
I got some gloves, not gonna fuck with them too hot. We're missing one key to all this, a fucking car. We got a racetrack, there's no car. The worst case, guys, I just run up and down the track, please. Car ready yet?
Let's go.
What is that?
Alright, but there's no way in the world we're fitting the fuel in here.
Yeah, we will. The seats fall down, bro.
And what the fuck is that?
Yeah, these.
Black bond. That's for your ass. So you don't shit yourself. They even give him a special thing so he can seal his ass together. So he doesn't shit himself. So this is what happens when you drive a motec car. You gotta put this stuff on. So when you're going really fast, you know what I mean?
Like we have 9 motors. If it was a hard tech, we wouldn't need a spare.
Shut the fuck up, mate.
Tell the boys. Got fresh haircuts, mate. Yeah, the motherfucking boys. So here we're ready, cuz.
They actually look like you.
They're my kids, of course they like me. They go kill the first account looks,
You look stoned.
Anyway, I left them for this dog. I can't like dogs. 100%. Dogs are fucking horrible. I don't know why people are upset calling a dog. Should be called a fucking rat.
I agree.
It's actually like so.
I don't think it should be
like a bad thing.
I don't think it should.
You're a dog,
I don't think
you
it
know
should
what
be
I mean?
offensive to be called a dog because a dog is loyal.
Actually,
It's pretty offensive.
But why?
Why is it
Pisses
offensive?
on himself. He rolls in his shit.
Who does?
Dog.
Shut
Hey,
the
bro,
fuck
you're talking
up,
about
man.
a-
You're talking about a pig, you dumb cunt.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get some fucking fuel, eh?
Get it?
So we are at Bradenton Performance, where they sell parts and fuel, which is something that we need. Not right now, but we are going to need it in the next few days. So I'm going to buy about 10 drums. I call them pallets, plateds, some shit.
Yeah.
So let's find out. Yo,
Yeah, it did.
we're going to Shake Shack.
Oh, yes, we have to. You talk about it from day one. Is it good?
Hey, Billy! Hey, Billy!
Oh, that's made Anthony's trip.
Not as cute as mine.
Radios? You can't get these. Australia, anyway.
She can't figure it out yet.
She just figured this out.
Every good vlog has a dog in it somewhere.
I was going to say something like, believe it, for later.
You need it. When you don't need it, it's everywhere. All the little bits and pieces. Everything that we needed. We were asking if we need any more bits.
Just in case, yeah.
We literally would have given an arm and a leg the other day to have this place open to get some of the stuff that was missing. And now you're just there and you're like, I don't have anything.
They're good. They're still wiring.
Still wiring.
They're still wiring.
Why would they be on the show?
You don't see that all the time. No.
Feels like it's bump reverse, feels crazy. Reverse.
This guy's like,
What's going on, man? Are you alright, man? Are you alright? Are you going for menopause or something? We'll talk about this later.
It's their way.
Cool. And then,
Simple minds are amused easily.
Oh, it's a dog. I love the dog.
Which one?
Hello. Hey. Oh. Hey, boy.
Probably can. I'm gonna watch it.
Hello.
Posing.
Hey. Yeah. You're beautiful.
So do you want that back?
Look, keep look. Which person bought all 10?
Come on, I want it.
This is sold to a fucking dog. Hey, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Listen, my career.
There's 12. Should I just get all 12?
Take a look.
Oh, that's not 5. No, there's only 10 here. Because they have 5.
What?
You can't, wait, one sec. My mate can't even count. It says all 10 sold. They have just 12. There's 5. There's 12.
One's is stupid.
3, 6, 9, 10.
Can you count?
Where?
That's
It's
the
still calling me
M5.
stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
That's M5.
That's M5.
M5. Yeah. So that was when you jig school.
What the fuck? That is so weird to me, man.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's
yeah.
Wait till you go to
They're
Texas.
probably like the pellet ones or the air.
It's good.
I don't know about that. Oh,
Hey man, one sec. Come, sit. Come. Hey. Oi. Up.
They've got someone that speaks your language.
You have to ask him that.
Oh well.
Hectic.
It's for.
Why you fucking scared of me?
Done. You don't have this thing.
Oh.
No. Oh my god.
oh, here we go.
There's no bullets in it, mate.
Doesn't matter. Just don't point at anyone.
Nothing.
See the gun
Nothing
has this
shaming.
empty and can't shoot it. Yeah, fuck around. That's pretty cool, man. It was over Gun Rocket in Sydney.
This is actually a pistol.
Oh, what?
That's pretty cool.
Come on, man.
Look at that.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, I'm not.
Was it empty?
Yes.
What the fuck?
No.
Fuck, it's not.
That's incredible. Just slip in.
That's awesome, man. Is that someone? So someone made this.
It's a
Wow.
company called MCK.
I fucking love America, man.
This company that makes these right here, they're actually right behind us. You can look out our back door and see.
There is no way in the world we would be able to get this anywhere near Australia or own it. We can't have weapons. Like not even
I
legally.
wonder why.
Dickheads like
Yeah.
Builds custom. Like this is his portfolio.
fuck off.
Mirad's
The
gonna love
purple
it.
one, purple one.
Purple,
Yeah,
and
that's just
teal,
Can I get 2 purple, 1 blue?
pink.
Bro, fuck off. Look at this shit. These are real. Solid.
Yeah. Silencer that's got like,
Those
Oh,
are
look at
legal
the
here?
truck.
Yeah,
you
for
have to have a
what?
special license for
Which
that.
track?
completely illegal in Australia. A bit of it.
Camo.
The seeds understand is that a
This is like a galaxy.
This is a spare part shop.
Spare part shop.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
We're in a
Outer
spare part
space.
shop, guys.
I like
Oh, that's sick.
Get one of them, man. Put it on back on top of the race truck. Anyway, guys, pack your shit up. Because, next minute we're gonna start customs.
Rocket, you need to step up your game.
Herman, I'm gonna change your name, brother. You're gonna get sued. PRP.
No way.
Herman, I fucking knew it, mate.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. See you guys later.
Thank you, mate.
Let's go, Tommy. Nice. As soon as we're going to look off the check in and
Two. Where are we going again, Pete?
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack.
Yeah, Tommy. You want to send you that thing? Oh, thank fuck, bacon. Thank fuck.
Asian kitchen and sushi.
If you know burgers, you know Shake Shack. If you come to America, you gotta fucking try Shake Shack. Probably one of the nicest burgers you ever get. All right,
I
here we
want a
go.
fucking bacon there.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Just get a bacon burger. That's all you need.
What's going on here?
We have no petrol because I hate filling up. I'm not even paying us, I hate filling up. And we're stuck in fucking traffic. So most probably gonna have a video of us breaking down fuel. I ain't fucking getting out of the car.
And there goes the exit fuel.
What I mean? I've got faith, man. I've got faith on that.
Oh, it's gonna be
I got faith in you.
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
If that's going to be us on the shoulder ahead soon, if you don't go, yeah, we can get back on. Yeah, we can get back on.
I have faith, man.
Let's just go. You haven't got faith.
I have faith too. It'll be the perfect cover photo if we don't make it.
We're gonna make it fucking.
What do you think, Miro? Are you talking to yourself again?
Yes.
No.
He's talking to us.
How many Ks is 33 miles?
We
We're empty full base.
Watch out. Object on
I
road
want to break
ahead.
down here on this road.
We've been
That's what we've been saying.
We've been
every
empty
exit.
for the last 20 minutes.
For the last 3 exits.
You're not gonna make it.
Worst case, you can do the beach, you might get out of bush. Ooh! Oh! Motherfucker! Got a drink?
Looking delirious, eh?
And we got Bonnie's, we're good.
I'm gonna make it.
Huh?
I'm gonna make it.
Good, mate.
So you're not gonna make it.
Another 570.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
oh!
You're kidding.
Did the car just cough? Music off. Oh.
You're joking.
Music off, man.
Exit right to exit 260.
So,
Fucking kidding me, man.
so we were getting off the freeway.
Right here.
Otherwise, somewhere, yeah?
Pull up.
Yep.
Like, man, get over the hill, roll.
Oh.
I'm gonna get over the hill.
You're not going to get over the hill, Anthony. You're going to have to pull into that gap.
Fuck's sake.
Fucking outside.
Maybe, but it's a bit scary when we get hit.
We're good, guys. Alright, listen. Listen. Now what do we do?
Oh, fuck.
Look how close we are, man.
We are on the exit ramp right now, and it's coughed.
Why the fuck didn't we get off?
Because we couldn't, bro.
What the fuck you mean?
What do you fucking mean we couldn't?
Pulled into the whole ramp and said, I got faith.
3-4 exits.
Bro, it's fucking bone dry.
You gonna put water in it or stop?
Will methanol work? Oh shit!
We got M2.
Oh my
Who's that? Who the fuck is that?
god. Wasn't there a cop over there behind us?
Yeah.
Hey, get him, man.
Should we book it? I don't want to get shot.
What's that? Hey, man!
Should I book an Uber?
Hey!
Get the Uber to bring us fuel.
We're broken down on the side of the road.
Where's my phone going, man? Maybe
Because our fucking,
I thought we had this, man. Where the fuck's my phone?
our hectic fucking
It's
tuna
not gonna start.
decided to fucking drive with no fuel.
And you know what the real kicker is?
And now
All the boys' lunch.
Broken down.
All the boys' lunch. I've
Listen,
got.
man. Listen, hurry the fuck up. Just get the fuck out of here, man.
Oh my lord. How do I get an Uber?
You don't want to spend your money. I'm trying to save your money.
How do I get an Uber to pick us up fuel?
Bro, we told him to get off the fucking highway for the last half an hour for fuel. And we've still got 28 minutes to get to where we need to get to, and he's been driving on 0. Sounds like his chin-ups.
We're going to get somewhere or we're going to talk shit?
What are we gonna get? Where exactly did
What happened to have faith?
Oh my god, man.
What's he doing? Gonna walk?
Yeah, he's gonna.
We're not pushing this.
What does he reckon? We're just going to push it up the hill.
Straight, we're not pushing this car.
A Cadillac SUV. We're just going to push it up the hill.
I'm gonna get an Uber. So cake.
Have faith, you said. It'll be fine, you said.
You fucked up. There was too much traffic.
Oh, we lost air conditioning is the worst part of it.
When you grow up, don't build cars. Because then you gotta fucking hang out videos of this.
Brother.
Oh well, I'm gonna have to go get my cover photo, aren't I?
Can you hear me?
At least you don't come first.
Sign me back
I'm
in soon.
booking a fucking Uber to get us petrol. So.
Have faith, you said.
Did we got time to get off? We got on the on-ramp, said, nah, I got faith and pulled back off the on-ramp.
I've got footage of it going 3 times. I filmed it.
You're fucking
We got on the on-ramp.
Traffic fucked the tuna. Hopefully, mate, that doesn't do the same to you.
Wait! Get off the road, Oh my god. Man, Uber's 11 minutes. You gotta wait behind me.
Wave him down.
No, don't. The cop's not going to help you with fuel, mate.
If he stops, man.
What's you?
That's awesome.
Yeah, right.
It's the greatest we are.
Yeah, I know.
So we're not even gonna get there.
Nice. Oh. Again, couldn't even script it. Even if you wanted to script this, you couldn't. It takes a special guy to fucking create a special fucking moment. And who else can fucking do this but you? No one else.
Be fucking careful. We're in America, brother.
Flat tire.
I gave you water views. mate. I wanted to go fishing. Guess what? We're going fishing.
Why? Why? The fuck's that? I think this is a sign. Hey, let's not go racing.
What's that saying?
Don't take Matuk anywhere with you. Fucking hell, man. This is unbelievable. This is actually unbelievable. And the cops just keep driving past us like fucking nothing's happening.
Oh, the Cybertruck.
Hey, Cybertruck. Hey, man. Hey, guys. Subscribe. Subscribe. Buy the merch. Yeah. Fucking hell.
10 minutes, but I think we're not on the whatever these M5s or whatever. Well, I got a caller, but we didn't have a customer. Don't let me call her.
You're fucking retarded. Why couldn't you just get off? Will you get off the road, bro?
Well, where's the server?
The server's 2.6K.
Well, in the meantime, over here, David Atterbury, we're finding schools of fish in the lake. Bit hard to see from here.
Oh my god. Well, the biggest idiots right now. I can't believe it.
First we cop a flat tire. Now we get fucking. This was self-inflicting actually. Tire, you can say that it was. I don't know what to say. Actually bumps me.
Right. Think of the memories, mate.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Think of the memories.
Sitting on the side of a highway. Instead of being at a fucking shop where we fucking need to be turning on a race car. Great memory.
Fuck off.
Whoa!